How to swap list elements in Python. First, we'll need a list. So A equals a list with 1, 2, and 3. To swap, we will use tuple unpacking notation. Say, for example, we wanted to swap the first and second elements. To do that, we would do A sub 0, comma, A sub 1 equals A sub 1, comma, A sub 0. What this does, because I agree it does look a bit witchcrafty at first, is put the values on the right to the corresponding memory addresses on the left. So the value of the second element is put in the first slot's memory address, and the value of the first element is put in the second slot's memory address. If we print A and run the code, we'll see we've swapped the first and second elements. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.